Welcome to Tech Tycoon. Though we all learned how to brush our teeth as kids, there is so much more to know about caring for your teeth, especially as the number of products that claim to clean, whiten, or straighten your teeth grows. You may have asked yourself questions like, should I finally make a switch to an electronic toothbrush? Is it good for my teeth? Or what technological developments do I have to opt for the next time I go buying toothbrushes? Today, in this video, we're going to find out if the upcoming futuristic toothbrushes can answer your questions or not. We will be going through some of the most advanced upcoming toothbrushes which will be available to us. If you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Number 1. B-Brush, the first battery-free powered toothbrush. Do you imagine never having to deal with charging, messy cables, adapter and batteries but still get that diamond clean teeth? Well, then your dreams are set to be true. B-Brush is an entirely new category of power brush that doesn't need batteries or electricity. This futuristic toothbrush makes it possible to transform the energy from a simple twist into over 80,000 brush strokes. So if you love to travel, always on the go for business, or want to make your home more eco-friendly, then this toothbrush is just for you. Number 2. Bristle, light therapy in an electrical toothbrush. Light therapy is nothing new to healthcare. Similar red and blue lights are often used in facial care to kill bacteria and heal skin. But Bristle is bringing effective light therapy to normal toothbrushing routine for the first time. This toothbrush combines sonic vibration and clinically validated light therapy to heal gums, kill bacteria, and whiten teeth. Plus, with a built-in two-timer, you no longer need to guess when to stop brushing. And let's be honest, who wouldn't like an illuminating toothbrush after all? Number 3. Oclean One, world's most powerful sonic toothbrush. The Oclean One electric toothbrush uses one of the fastest ultrasonic motors to provide up to 40,000 brush strokes per minute while letting you select the intensity and brushing method you're comfortable with. It's more powerful and smarter than your traditional toothbrush, making it ideal for anyone that wants a powerful deep clean. You can also customize your brushing plans by connecting this smart sonic electric toothbrush to Oclean app to track and improve your brushing performance with real-time pressure detection, coverage area analysis, and brushing time. How cool is that? Number 4. Brush Effects. The future toothbrush is here today. With the triple brush head technology, there is no wrong way you can brush your teeth. The brush fits perfectly over all the areas of the tooth and simultaneously brushes the entire tooth at one stroke. The interlocking bristles provide superior cleaning in those parts which are hard to reach, plus gives the added benefit of cleaning between the teeth like floss. So it's basically a complete package of whole tooth cleaning process, taking just a few seconds of your time. Number 5. The Soliday J3X keeps your mouth clean and green. The Soliday J3X will be the most amazing toothbrush you read about all day. This toothbrush uses solar power to kill bacteria and germs in your mouth. Toothpastes take a hike. The Soliday J3X was invented by Dr. Gary Uswak and Kunio Komiyama. The toothbrush uses solar power from the base of the brush to transmit electrons to the top of the brush. The electrons react with the acid in the mouth, killing off plague and bacteria in the process. The Soliday J3X doesn't need much sunlight, so it can operate just about anywhere. The future of oral hygiene just got sunnier. Hope you guys liked the video. Share your thoughts in the comment below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.